Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace radio on Mazda CX-7 right here. That's the one we're talking about. In our case, radio doesn't always work. It's something with the buttons, they don't work all the time. So we'll just go ahead and show you guys how to remove, how to replace, how to install new radio. Quite a few videos guys on that Mazda on the channel. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay, so first thing that we'll need to do, you need to put the key in. Okay, turn the key on, don't start it, and we'll need to put it in drive. Make sure you have the parking brake on all the way. We can turn it off now. Let me show you. Okay, you can see the buttons do not work. You can turn the volume up and down from the steering wheel and it works, but it doesn't work from the radio. Okay guys, first thing that you need to do, if you get a small screwdriver or prying tool, okay, you can pry on the bottom there. Once you pry it open, you can grab it with your hands and start pulling on it a little bit. Just be careful not to break anything. Okay, you can see it's stuck pretty good there, but eventually it will come out, and if it's an older one being exposed to the sun too much, it might be breakable, so just be careful with it when you pull it. Okay, you can see there is a couple clips and the whole thing will come out of there now. Okay guys, radio has 4 screws with a Phillips screwdriver that we will need to remove. 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side. And don't forget to check out our main channel, World Mechanics on YouTube guys. It's growing crazy fast, and thank you to all of you for that. It's been amazing journey there. Okay, and now you need to just pry it right there a little bit. Okay, like that, to start coming out, and it got loose. So now you can pull it a little bit. Wires are super short on this one. Okay, so this one here, once we remove the wires, we're going to show you exactly how to do all of them. But all of them are this way. You push that thing and you pull. Okay, the antenna, we will be doing it in a little bit. I cannot get to it now. Okay, the antenna, you just pry it open. Okay, like that. On the bottom here, there is another one that you need to squeeze. Okay, and unplug. It's super tight. Okay, that's the one right here. You can see, press on this down and pull. And then we have the big one, which is the same way. We have one on the bottom guys that you need to, in the middle, that you need to press in and pull on the clip. Okay, like that. Okay guys, that's how you remove the radio. You install everything back together in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.